Good morning, students. Today we will learn new phonetic sounds such as sound of sk, sk, sm, sm, sn, sn, sp, sp, st, st, sw, sw. Let's start. Sky, 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 ski, 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 skirt, 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 skip, 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 smoke, 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 smile, 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 smell, smell, snake, 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 snow, 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 snail, 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 spider, 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 spin, 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 spinach, 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 sponge, 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 stall, 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 stop, 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 star, 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 stick, 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 swan, 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 sweater, 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 swim, swim, swing, swing. Stay home, stay safe.